Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can draw this realistic eye. This is my first tutorial and hope you will like it and learn something new. So materials are, here I'm using a Faber pencil brush or blending stumps, a sketch pen, or you can use a permanent marker. Now I'm dividing the page in half with both vertical and horizontal sides, and now I'm making the circle at the center for the iris. After making the circle, I started with the shape of the eye. After making the sketch, I use this kneaded eraser to lighten up the sketch and start working on my final outline. Outline done, and now we are going to move to shading. So first of all, I'm using this black permanent marker and making the circle inside the iris. Now I'm giving a base layer on the iris. I think it's very important to give a base layer whenever you're starting any sketch. And now I'm using a normal brush and I'm going to blend it. Yes guys, remember that the iris is dark at the corners and light in the center. So this is the thing which I'm trying to make here. So I'm adding more darker layers like 6p, 4p, 8p, and I'm just darkening the sides and then blending it with a stump. And now I'm making the texture of the iris. It's very important. You just have to make some random lines, some dark and some light, and which will give a realistic texture in the eyes. So guys, next we have to make this line here at the top of the eye and fill it with the black, and then without leaving any white space we will just blend it with a stump. Now I started working on some other parts of the eye, and let me tell you that the white part is not white, actually it's a little grey, so never leave it white because then it will not give a realistic look. So now I'm making the lower part of this. Here now I'm making eyelashes. Don't make the eyelashes stiff and try to make them curled. Now working on lower lashes. Now here I'm adding some depth at the upper crease and the lower crease of eyes. Final finishing touches. So guys, you can do one more thing, which is mirror the eyelashes in the highlight. I think it's all done. I hope you all like this, and please make sure to like and subscribe.